Well, hello, and this is a video which obviously is just checking the microphone. Yep. Okay, we're all working. So this is a video, and I'm out and about in Warminster, heading down towards Wetherspoons at the moment. Going to be meeting up with my sister, and it's another chance for me to go and try out the access, which we've done already twice before in 2 videos. The reason why I'm doing this one, I want to do a video, is essentially because they've changed the signage. And the signage says if you want access, you have to go inside and get to the staff member. So I'm going to pop out the back and just check the signage. It's up here. Up here, hotel guests and parking. And there's a door just up here. They do have signs still. Access. Look, there we go. So they've stopped you going in this way. Accessible access via ramp at main entrance. Please ask for assistance. So I don't know how you're supposed to ask for assistance, because if you're on your own, then that ain't gonna happen. So what we'll do is we'll go back down to the front. There's the same sign on the front. They have changed these signs. Up on. So this is the main entrance on the right there. Going behind me. So I gotta get in there yet. They got a fucking sign on the door. Hello. Hello.
How are you then?
Cold.
Yeah, cold. Well, you got a hat on.
Yeah. All right. Cold.
Nice to see you.
Freezing cold.
Come on in. You're gonna have to get the ramp.
Yeah, no, I've been waiting. There's a big sign on the door.
They were queuing up in B&M.
You gotta go and ask inside. I know. Oh, there's a bell.
See if it works.
Yeah, ring it. It don't work. No, but accessible access via ramp. Please ask for assistance.
How can you ask assistance when you're outside?
Yeah, exactly. So, there we go.
Can't lift you over, can we?
No.
Yeah, I can lift you over.
No.
All of you? Cold?
Cold. Yeah. Cold.
Oh dear.
So you can't go in there without a ramp. It's crazy, isn't it? Absolutely crazy.
In November, I had an infection on my fingers. They gave me antibiotics and it went more wrong.
Going in hotel?
So I had to have an operation
No, it's the same.
to take my skin off. I know.
Ramp required.
But, I mean, it's getting better now.
So anyway, she's gone inside,
You know.
trying to get a ramp.
Oh, dear.
It's probably busy in there though now.
Yeah. Oh gosh. I'm glad you're not standing in the park anyway. It's too cold.
Yeah, you don't want to be doing that now.
No.
It's a bit cold for that.
Yeah. Right, it's winter, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's raining earlier. Spitting.
Oh. Why haven't they got some ramp near the door or something? Like on a roof? You can get it.
Yeah, you thought so.
Yeah. I didn't know you couldn't go in there, you know.
Well,
Well,
there is a signed
There's
entrance.
only 3 of them about in the arms, so they go away from. Oh,
There's only 3 staff on.
Complain to Mr. Wetherspoons, you know.
Well, that's good.
Sorted.
I mean, the thing is, if I come on my own, I can't get in here because I can't get anyone to come. There's no staff that you can see.
Wow.
And the side door, they've shut now.
Yeah.
The side door's shut. You can't go in that way.
Has that got a ramp?
It's got a lift.
Oh.
But they keep on using the lift for
Yeah,
internal.
Yeah, for the. Yeah.
So they stopped using that.
Oh God.
But they need all they need is a buzzer
Yeah.
on the door. Yeah.
Oh.
There you go. Yeah, I know, it's going to be...
But you need wings. Like a little
I need
angel.
something.
Yeah. There we go.
Need something.
Alright.
Alright.
Oh, no. Come. See, why not just put it there? There we go. Brilliant. Oh. Yeah. Can we go on? No.
Yes, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, that's all right. Did you get that one there?
Yeah, we need another chair. I'll have another chair. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another chair for the
How many we got? 1, 2, 3, 5. I can sit on the end if you want. I can sit on the end.
Do you think they like this song? No. She said, I'm really sorry that there's only 3 songs. I said, I'm not sure because I said, I'm just asking if someone can when you're ready. And she went, okay. I mean, I'm not never rude to them like that.
No.
It's not their fault.
What I do is I turn round, I think. Turn round.
So I don't know if that's fair. They got it.
Have I? Oh. Okay. I'll sit here, it's all right. Yeah.
You want to sit there or there?
I'll sit there.
Okay, you want a chair?
No, I got a chair.
I'll switch my chair.
There's a chair there.
I'll sit there. No.
What? Why are you moving that chair? I'm going to sit on the chair.
Sit on the chair. He wants a chair. Yeah, I just
I'm just trying to order on the app, and it's given me 2 errors every time I do it. I know it has occurred, and the
Perhaps they're not
the
using the
whole
app today. Sometimes the app
basket's gone.
The friend was on holiday. She was living in the
So
So what do you want? What do you want with your drink? Orange juice, lemonade,
Yeah.
with ice.
yeah, with ice and everything and straw.
Big one, pint. What table are we doing it under?
16. So you end up with no items in the basket.
We just want a cup of tea. Just have a cup of tea.
I've eaten, but then
Well, don't put the pressure tea. We've got some later on.
I know.
Well, just have some tea. What? A cup of tea? We'll order a cup of tea for you.
Oh my god. Oh, that's something to look forward
So
to.
unfortunately, I didn't manage to do it on the app, so I don't know if the app's working.
Oh,
Wait
wow.
times, let's have a look. Wait times are, food is 36 minutes,
Fantastic.
drink 7 minutes.
Like this time of year, but
No, but I mean,
Time may vary.
try and just keep going, if I can go over the summer, I can.
yeah, and you're big
So it's going to be another, well, it's going to be 2 o'clock before we get food.
Oh gosh. No, we'll go to Corrie. Are you
So come,
I'll get some. Must get loads in it. I'll get some.
so they've ordered theirs. Yeah, under 18. All right.
Yeah,
So that's about 20 minutes, I think.
think.
20 minutes or so. They've got their meal. Curry and chip.
Everybody has.
So the reason why it didn't work on the app was basically what's that?
Turkey wasn't available.
No, it wasn't available. That's right. The turkey. I tried to order it on the app and it wouldn't work because it was not available. It was her turkey.
That'll be a really good thing.
So I probably could have ordered my hamburger and chip. So it shouldn't be too long. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah.
So it didn't need a lot of
Well, he was a lot.
Okay,
Hey. So, I thought that was our food. It's a bit noisy in here. Still waiting. Nope. Still no food. So it's about 25 minutes.
But then if you once in a while.
I suppose I got pinched the mayonnaise.
Yeah,
I don't
carry
know if
on.
there's any in it, to be honest, but
I'll shake it up.
you can try it. You might have to take it. Tap it down the...
So there is some in there, thanks.
Yeah.
We also started
Yeah. Very strong, man.
What did you order?
You need to get it done.
Thank you very much.
No, that's fine. I know you're busy, so thank you. You've got advice there.
I know. So I'm eating it after my dinner. It's a bit frustrating, but there we go. Thank you.
Right, so, what was that?
You know, surely.
30 minutes.
No, it's going to be busy.
I know, but it doesn't matter. You look at work.
know, you have to have healthy things in between. You know, and maybe what he wants to know, her little 19-month-old, the gets he's not vaccinated at all, so he keeps on the chest infection in the hospital. You know, he's on an inhaler now, antibiotics, 19 months.
Thank you.
What can do about his immune system to heal 19 months? You know, anything maybe she's going to take for money. And now she feels guilty. Oh, maybe I should have. Because his brother, he had the first.
Would you be able to get it around for me?
Yeah, no. He's got an inhaler now.
Right, you guys. See you later. I got a ramp, yeah, I'm going to get the ramp. See you later. Take care. Bye bye. Alright, thank you very much. Cheers. Bye. There we go. So, too bad, just a bloody pain in the ass having to get the ramp. Doesn't make it very independent. So, yeah, the usual service, I suppose. It was busy. There was a lunchtime crowd. I suppose, you know, you can't really ask for much. Food was okay, chips were alright. Gammon was a bit salty. But, you know, it's alright. So yeah, I'll give it the same as usual, except for the fact that you have that problem now with trying to get in the building, which is making life difficult because, as I say, when we arrived there was only 3 staff on. Luckily I was with somebody and they could go inside and get the ramp. If I was on my own, there's no way that I would be able to do that. I'd have to wait for somebody to come out or go in.